China's grand military spectacle, Xi stuns the world with Putin and Kim at his side. Beijing witnessed a jaw-dropping spectacle on September 3, 2025, as President Xi Jinping staged one of the most impressive military parades in modern history. This was no ordinary show of force, it was a global statement, a thunderous message that China is ready to lead a new era of power politics. The power parade under a blazing sky, Xi appeared in an open-top limousine, saluting rows of soldiers as they stood like steel statues. Hypersonic missiles, combat drones, laser weapons, and autonomous robot wolves rolled past Tiananmen Square, leaving spectators stunned. The sheer scale, tens of thousands of troops, and the most advanced war machines send a clear message. China's military might is here to stay. Xi's fiery speech rang across the square as he declared that humanity must choose between peace and war, cooperation and confrontation, win-win partnerships or destructive rivalries. It was both a warning and an invitation. China, he said, was ready to lead the way forward. Putin, Kim, and the new Axis. The event became even more dramatic with the presence of Russian President Vladimir Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, standing shoulder to shoulder with Xi. For the first time in decades, a North Korean leader appeared at a Chinese parade, and Kim brought along his daughter, Ju-ae, in what many analysts see as a symbolic signal of dynastic continuity. More than 25 international leaders attended, including heads of state from Pakistan, Iran, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Serbia. Together, they formed what experts are calling a new axis of upheaval, a network of countries seeking to challenge Western dominance. Geopolitical shock with this parade was not just for domestic pride, it was a masterstroke of global strategy. China positioned itself as the guardian of peace, while simultaneously showcasing its ability to deter rivals. Every missile, every tank, every fighter jet on display was a message to Washington, Tokyo, and Brussels. The balance of power is shifting. Meanwhile, critics in Taiwan and the West saw the event as a warning of Beijing's growing ambition. Some warned that the massive show of strength could be a signal that China is preparing to pressure Taiwan or assert itself more aggressively in the South China Sea. A historic turning point, this parade will be remembered as more than just a military celebration. It was a declaration of intent, a visual manifesto of China's vision for the 21st century. Xi Jinping's message was clear: China is no longer a rising power, it has risen. And with Putin and Kim at his side, the world has been put on notice that a new geopolitical reality is taking shape. Would you like me to make this article even more dramatic and emotional, like a piece for a news magazine that grabs readers with powerful headlines and sharp phrases?